signaling for a play. Morales may dala ng bola.
A 24 seconds violation ang naitawag nga dito sa ating Saints. So ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession. Madrona, papasa dyan kay Mayor. Jersey number 6 hahanap dito. On the 3-point line, no good. The second time for ACC, pero natawagan nga dyan ng foul. So, first personal foul nga natawagan dito sa Saints. Now, jersey number 15 will be on the free throw line. We have Mira Bueno. First attempt, no good. Again, he will try again for the second time. That's good. Yan nga, may substitution na agad dito sa side ng ating Saints.
A first substitution on the sides of the Saints.
Another steal from the Green Serpents. No good.
Bola ngayon ng Green. Bola ngayon ng Saints.
Another steal by Madrona. Again, another steal for the Serpents. Papasok sa loob. Number 4, that's good for Codores. Patuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-arangkada dito ng Green Serpents sa ating first quarter. On the 3-point line, no good. Now, ball possession ng Green Serpents. 13-point lead. 13-0, nothing run. Now, 6, Beltran. Given to jersey number 10, Madrona. Now on the corner. Tries for a 3, no good.
Morales.
And the ball stays on the Saints. Yan nga, substitution on the side of the Green Serpents. Papasok ng second 5.
At palitan dito ng substitution, I'm excited kung ano bang play ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Yes. I think they are really ready.
Kasi pinasok na yung second 5 nila, right? So I think may mga changes sa play nila.
Siyempre, grabe din yung preparation dito ng dalawang koponan na ito sa 2 weeks na break natin for the Bucal.
Morales may dala ng bola. No good.
Wala pa rin para sa Saints dito. Now, jersey number 19, Pascual. May hawak ngayon ng bola. Let's see. Passes to... Good save here by number 9. Papasok sa loob. Pero natawagan nga dyan ng foul. Natawagan nga ng foul dito si Mendoza ng Saints. So, Vargas will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 6 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. No good for that first attempt. Shout out naman tayo sa ating live viewers, sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Hello po kay Kyle Calyada and kay Dariel Ape. Thank you so much po sa panonood nyo dito sa ating first matchup this Saturday.
And a substitution on the side of Saints. Amando is in. Bola ngayon ng Saints. Morales, may dala ng bola.
The ball will stay on the Saints now.
Still, medyo nahihirapan pa rin mahanap ang rhythm ng Saints dito.
Now Saints trying to get a play here.
Morales. No good for 3.
Wala pa rin para sa ating Saints. Nagbabadali dito ang ating Green Serpents. Papasok sa loob. Another foul was called. Natawagan muli.
Morales got the foul.
Get on the free throw line. We have Mansos. First attempt, no good. Mukhang hindi maganda ang pasok ng first quarter para sa ating NPS Saints. But let's see kung babawi nga ba sila dito against the ACC Green Serpents. That's good for the second time.
Another substitution for Saints. Norberto may dala ng bola.
Now it's the time for the Saints to make a move here. Dahil nakakalamang na nga 15-0 nothing run po sa ating first quarter with only 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining.
Saints may dala ng bola. An opportunity for 3, no good.
Yeah, rebound by the Green Serpents. Jersey number 5. Given to 11. Papasok sa loob. But it was a steal.
Amando
from
may
the
dala
Saints.
ng bola.
Another steal for the Serpents. No good. Second time.
And that's good.
Yes. That's
Ang gandang
Pascual.
alalay nun, Tin.
Totoo. Ito yung maganda sa Green Serpents dahil nakaalalay sila sa kada players. Kaya kahit hindi pumasok yung first attempt, there will be a second time for them.
And that's what you call teamwork, team.
Yes. Now, ball possession again of the Serpents. Pascual. Wala ang
And
bola.
sayang yon.
Yes. Ball possession of the Saints. What will they do? Another steal from the Green Serpents. 5. Again, second time for the Green Serpents. That's Mansos.
It's 19-0. I'm seeing that ang Saints medyo pressure sila ngayon. Medyo mga mababa ang mga pinasok ni coach. And dito naman sa side ng Serpents, minamaximize nila yung height at laki ng mga players. So it's very difficult for the Saints to penetrate the shooting, especially.
Yan nga, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang Naga Parochial Saints dahil nga nahihirapan sila makakuha ng puntos for our first quarter. Medyo mahina yung depensa nitong NPS Saints.
That's true.
As well as their offense. So medyo nahihirapan silang makipagbakbakan sa loob ng hardcourt dito sa ACC Green Serpents.
And we saw a lot of steals.
Yes. Doon nga sila nahihirapan, Aljon. Kaya dito, para kay coach, sana talaga maipakita na nila kung ano ba yung kayang gawin ng NPS Saints now that we are on the 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining on our first
And
quarter.
it's 19-0. Medyo masakit na ang kalamangan.
Yes.
But we'll see. We're just in the first quarter of this match.
Now, ano kaya ang magiging bagong play dito ng coach ng ating NPS Saints? Now, ball possession. Nahihirapan ditong itawid. Again, a steal from the Green Serpents. Now, passes to 12 on the corner. Papasok yan sa loob. On the corner, jersey number 9 for 3.
No
No
good.
good. Now, ball possession of the Saints. Grabe na yung depensang pinapakita dito ng Green Serpents.
At nahihirapan talaga ang Saints dito sa first quarter pa
Yes.
lang.
Sa pagtawid pa lang ng bola, medyo tagilid pa rin ang ating
No
NPS
good.
Saints.
For Bermojo,
Yan, natawagan na nga ng foul dito ang ACC Green Serpents. So this is a chance for the NPS Saints dahil nga mabibigyan ng 2-point free throw dito si Amando.
Amando taking his time. No good.
Wala pa rin para sa Saints.
Another free throw. And that's good.
Yes. The first basket for the NPS Saints for our first quarter. Now, Green Serpents. Umarangkada ngayon. Given to jersey number 5. Papasok sa loob. No good. Now, the ball will go on the NPS Saints side. Another substitution for the
Yes.
side of the Saints.
So ano kaya ngang play dito? Dahil madaming substitution, first quarter pa lang dito sa Saints. So I'm expecting na maganda yung play nila.
Now ball possession of the Saints. Again, a foul was called para dito kay Serrano ng ACC Green Serpents. Ball possession pa rin ng Saints. 19-1. An 18-point
Inbound ball ngayon
lead.
ni Morales. Morales may dala ng bola. No good.
But offensive rebound. Pero nawala yung bola. Out of bounds para sa ating Saints. Ball possession ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Now, Sevillano to inbound. Pascual ngayon may hawak ng bola. Now, jersey number 9.
And that's good.
Yes. A jump shot coming from him. Now, Saints. Nahihirapan sa
Parma
pataw ng bola.
nahihirapan dito.
Yes, again a steal from the Green Serpents. Maraming bantay sa loob.
And what an assist.
Yan, solong-solo dyan si Balin sa baba.
It seems like hindi nahihirapan dito ang Serpents against Saints kasi they are really pulling away with 23 against 1
Yes,
ng Saints.
I think they need communication on the inside and of course strengthen their offense and defense dahil medyo hindi natin pa nakikita yung teamwork dito ng ating NPS Saints. So they really needed that ngayon na malapit nang matapos ang ating first quarter.
That's shoot in. No good for Morales.
Now, nagmamadali ang Green Serpents. 17 for the layup. That's good para dito kay Sevillano. Yan, ball possession pa rin to ng ating Green Serpents. 14 seconds is given to the ACC Green Serpents. Sevillano passes to 5. Papasok sa loob. But there was a traveling violation given to Serrano. Mapupunta ang bola sa ating Saints.
Morales to inbound. Valenzuela may dala ng bola.
What a block by jersey number 12 here, Balin. With that height advantage talaga namang walang gugustong pumasok sa loob nun. Yan, again, ball possession pa rin yan ng Green Serpents pero napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents with 25-1 para sa ating first quarter. 2 minutes and 24 seconds magbabalik po kami dito sa Oragon Sports TV.
And we are back here live at the ATENEO Gymnasium live on Ragon Sports TV, Bucal, and YouTube channel of One Media TV 48 Naga. 25 against 1 with 2 minutes and 19 seconds for our first quarter.
Yun nga, natawagan muli ng foul dito ang ating NPS Saints. Now Balin on the free throw line. No good for that first attempt. Grabe na yung kalamangan at performance na pinakapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero medyo kulang para dito sa ating NPS Saints sa pagsimula ng ating laban. Again, offensive rebound ng ating Green Serpents. Number 9 may hawak. Balin now. Passes to 5. That's good. For a 3-point shot para dito kay Serrano.
And konting assessment lang tayo dito, Tin. Last sequence, na-block ang isang player dito ng Saints. And it gives me, talaga namang height is advantage.
Yes.
Sa shooting pa lang. And sa defense, talagang makikita mong yung defense and height ng Serpents talaga namang nangingibabaw against Saints.
Can you see the body and the height difference between the ACC Green Serpents and the NPS Saints? Talaga namang napakalaki and batak tong katawan ng ating ACC Green Serpents when it comes to playing basketball.
And also, talagang mahihirapan dito ang Saints makapenetrate ng points.
And now, for our first quarter, hirap na hirap pa rin talaga silang makakuha ng puntos. While the ACC are just trying so hard para mas palaki pa ang kanilang kalamangan. That's good for the second attempt of Sevillano.
Inbound ball ni Morales.
Again, a steal by the Green Serpents here. On the inside, Balin. Pero there's a traveling violation. Ayan. Traveling is good with Nagayon Travels and Tours.
And those kind of violation, Saints should take that as advantage in order for them to somehow, get a points. Kasi doon lang sila nakakakuha ng opportunity.
Yes. Wala pa rin para sa ating Saints now. Didiretso sa loob. That's good para kay Serrano.
Morales may dala ng bola. Mendoza.
Again, Serrano. For the layup, that's good. It's 32-1 or 34-1 na po sa ating talaan with only 1 minute remaining sa ating first quarter here. Ball possession pa rin yan ng Green Serpents. Serrano to inbound. Now, Sevillano. There was a foul here. Ball possession ngayon ng ating NPS Saints. So this would be their chance for the remaining 49 seconds to get a point here.
And well, si Tin, kung makakakuha sila dito ng puntos.
And that's it. Another steal for the Green Serpents. That's good again para dito kay Serrano. 31 seconds.
Mendoza, may dala ng bola.
A traveling violation. Ano kayang gagawin ng ating NPS Saints para sa mga susunod pang quarter na medyo ngayong first quarter pa lang nahihirapan niya sila gumawa ng puntos. Now, Vargas to inbound. Pascual ngayon may hawak ng bola. 21 seconds remaining. Now, Balin on the inside. Basket counts. May kasama pa yung foul.
Pacifico got that foul.
36-1 sa ating first quarter. First attempt of Balin, no good. Now Saints.
Morales may dala ng bola.
Now a
Still,
foul.
nahihirapan pa rin talaga dito ang Saints to penetrate.
Now
And Morales got the opportunity for a free throw.
will they get the point here now?
No good for Morales.
Wala pa rin para sa ating Saints.
And that's good.
Naipasok naman para sa ating second attempt. Now the ACC with 6 seconds remaining. Now, no good. And that's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. It's 38-36 ang kalamangan po ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Abangan pa po natin kung ano pa ang gagawin dito ng NPS Saints. Makakahabol pa sila sa ACC Green Serpents. Yan po ang ating agbangan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back again here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for our second quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents versus the NPS Saints.
At 36 points na lamang ng Green Serpents dito against Saints. They are really showcasing us kung sino ba talaga sila in this season.
Ayan nga, isa nga itong ACC Green Serpents sa talagang aabangan mo for this season of Bucal dahil napakaganda nga ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. And for that last sequence, again, a foul was called and Balin will be on the free throw line again para sa pag-uumpisa ng ating second quarter. First attempt, no good para dito kay Balin. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo sa mga nanonood. Hello kay Charles David Mariscal at kay Amla Tagle. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagantabay. Abangan nyo po mamaya ang iba po nating laro. For our second game, it's the STI Olympians versus the Shepherdville Rams para sa ating juniors basketball.
Another great match. So it's weekend. If you could have an opportunity to come and visit the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium, please come with us and watch this match.
Ayan nga, John, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The ACC Green Serpents are gracefully showing the fruit of their everyday work as they are dominating this ball game. During the timeout, Coach John reminded the boys to just focus and again run the Serpents basketball system. He also emphasized that in this ball game, the key for their win is to know and use their advantage well as they have the size. So just look for the most open man and seize every opportunity to shoot. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So it's the Serpent system in terms of basketball and really maximizing their advantage. And speaking of advantage, height advantage,
Yes.
speed advantage, and really a strong shooting advantage is really what we are seeing right now, Tin, against the Saints.
Yes, and of course, they are not being complacent here. Kahit sobra na yung kalamangan nila, talagang binibigay nila yung best nila sa larong ito. It's because they have this mindset na every game is very important. So kahit mahina or kung hindi man nakakapuntos ang kalaban mo, you just need to do your best. For the side of the ACC now, tawagin naman natin sa side ng ating NPS Saints ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljun. As we delve into the first quarter, we saw how NPS Saints struggled with turnovers, missed shots, and defensive lapses, and had difficulty finding their rhythm on offense. Coach consistently advised them to strengthen their combination defense to break the opponent's defense trapping to get the ball on their side. Yan muna sa ngayon. Stay tuned as we witness how NPS Saints responds to this early setbacks in their thrilling matchup. Only here at Bucal's official Facebook page and our official broadcasting partners, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kim. So, Saints is really struggling to really find their rhythm, and also the coach reminded the boys to really have a combination in terms of defense. Kasi matataas at malalaki ang Serpents. So kailangan talaga nilang paghirapan at talaga namang patatagan ang kanilang depensa at opensa.
Yes. Now as we can see, namamayagpag pa rin ang ating ACC Green Serpents for our second quarter. And that's good para dito kay Balin again. Now ball possession of the Saints. Long
And
three.
that's good. Bermejo.
Yan, ito yung kailangan ng NPS Saints for this quarter. Dahil napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. They just need to be consistent here now.
So the outside shooting is working on the side of the Saints. Another
Nice.
three. No good.
Now, Green Serpents on the inside. That's good. Nagmamadali dito ang NPS Saints. No foul called here. Wala
No
pa rin
good.
for that second attempt. Green Serpents. Balin on the inside. No good. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. He will try again for the third time. That's good para dito kay John Christopher Balin.
And look at that effort. Talaga namang di niya binibitawan
Yes.
hanggang hindi siya nakakashoot.
And another point for the NPS Saints here. 54-7. Now, Balin again on the inside. Grabe yung pinapakita ng performance ng kada players dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi sila bumibitaw
That's
doon
your
sa
team.
kalamangan nila.
Mendoza. Morales rather, may dala ng bola. No good for three.
Yes. Again, ball possession of the Saints. They're
Morales.
trying.
Another opportunity, no good.
Now, Balin again. Grabe. Grabe na tong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Saints.
Morales. May chance ang bumawi.
Charles again for 3.
No good again.
Itong Saints natin, sa labas sila kumukuha or nagtatry para makakuha ng puntos. Which is good naman. Pero at the same time, they need to think first kung papasok ba or hindi. Dahil nga
That's
every
true.
ball possession is very important in a basketball.
Kasi outside shooting is very difficult.
Yes.
Though maganda yung naiisip nilang play kasi matataas ang Serpent. So pag inside shooting sila, may chances na babablock. But pag ginamit na naman nila yung outside shooting, it's actually difficult for them to shoot.
Now, Saints again.
Still no good.
But there was a foul called here.
Bermejo for a free throw. That's good.
Still, as you can see here, Aljon, sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium, andyan yung mga supporters ng ating NPS Saints. Na kahit grabe nga yung kalamangan ng Green Serpents, they are still there to support their team. Now, Green Serpents. Jersey number 8. 11. On the corner. Tries for 3. No good. Again, ball possession of the Serpents. Nagkakagawa ng 11. No good pa rin. Now Saints.
And opportunity for Saints. 4-3. No good.
Now 14.
And that's
Banana
good.
for that layup. That's good. Another steal by Balana. Assist.
A good pass.
Yes.
Wow.
That's Avila for the 2 points. Wala pa rin para sa ating NPS Saints. Nahihirapan pa din silang humabol and make a point here sa ating second quarter. Now, Serpents. They're taking their time here. 11, papasok sa loob. No good. Now, Saints. Wala pa rin yan. Sinigurado na ng Green Serpents ang bola. Now, 14. Didiretso sa loob. Passes on the corner. Tries for 3.
No good. Parma may dala ng bola. For 3. And that's good.
Ito yung kanina pa nilang tinatry na
The
makuha.
outside shooting.
Oo. Now, this would be the second 3-point of the NPS Saints. Now, Green Serpents. Papasok sa loob. No good. But there was a foul called here.
Nahirapan dito si Pacifico.
Ball possession ngayon ng NPS Saints.
And a substitution again on the side of Saints. Inbound ball ng Saints ngayon. Parma, pinasa. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpent.
Mukhang nabubuhayan ang ating second quarter. Now, 14 for a jump shot. No good. Rebound by Emboscado. Medyo naging maganda yung pasahan dito ng NPS Saints.
No good for 3.
Now again, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Balana may hawak ng bola. Steal for the NPS Saints.
No good.
Yan. Medyo nakukulangan lang talaga sa communication itong ating NPS Saints. At medyo nagmamadali sila. Now, Green Serpents. No good for that attempt. So
And
now,
makikita talaga natin na nag-e-effort na ngayon ang Saints on their defense and their offense. Outside shooting is there na. And also, the defense, talagang nakikipagbakbakan sila. Makuha lang ang bola dito sa Green Serpents.
na medyo nahihirapan dito. But the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. With 1 minute and 57 seconds for our second quarter. 64-11 po sa ating talaan. Now, Green Serpents. Jersey number 10 or 19 with 5 seconds to shoot.
No good.
Now the NPS Saints will try.
Parma may dala ng bola. Amando. That's good.
Yes, another 3 para dito sa ating SPS or the NPS Saints.
And the last sequence, talaga namang nagkikipag-haggle doon si Parma makuha lang ang bola. No
Now,
good.
Medyo nahihirapan ngayon ang Green Serpents when it comes to offense. And nandiyan ang supporters ng NPS Saints. Kaya siguro medyo gumaganda ang laro dito ng ating NPS Saints. It's 64-14.
And speaking of supports din, talaga mo nakakapag-boost ng moral ang mga supports dito.
Now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. That's goal for Pascual. Now, 53 seconds remaining. Another steal for the Green Serpents. Steal for the side of the NPS Saints.
Amando may dala ng bola. Parma for 3. No good.
Now, Codores may hawak na ng bola. Didiretso sa loob. No good. But the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 29 seconds remaining. Now, again on the inside. Pero may foul nga na itawag dyan.
At talaga namang makikita natin na medyo nagkakaroon na ng spark plug dito ang Saints.
Yes, they needed the play para sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. No good para sa first attempt ni Codores. 66-14. 25 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. We will try again for the second time. Pero bago yan, shout out muna po tayo sa ating live viewers dito sa Bucal Facebook page. Hello po kay Milich Kalos at kay Nick Leblack. Thank you so much sa inyong pagsuporta. Again, another point for the Green Serpents on the last sequence. 9 seconds remaining. Yan, a backward violation was called on the NPS Saints. Now Green Serpents again.
A 3.
Oh! Pasok pa yun! Para sa ating second quarter. That is Salaw of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang pagtatapos po ng ating second quarter. Magbabalik po tayo para sa laban ng ACC Green Serpents and the NPS Saints. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Laki, ipis taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
We're back here live at the ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium, live on Aragon Sports TV, Bucal, and YouTube channel of One Media TV 48 Naga. 73 against 14. Or rather 16 for our third quarter. At may nagpapabati dito. Jesniel Cardino Avila, number 7 of ACC. Today is his birthday.
Yan, happy birthday! Ayan lang nga, this is the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NPS Saints. Doon nga sa pagtapos na ating second quarter, napakaganda nga ng 3-point shot na yun mula sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ano kaya ang gagawin ng ating NPS Saints? Dahil nga medyo gumaganda yung laro nila kanina sa ating second quarter. Now, the first ball point for the NPS Saints kanina nga. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, anong update natin dyan?
The struggles continued until the second quarter, still facing difficulties in breaking the defense of the opponent. The NPS Saints switched their focus more on the offense and emphasized to get that ball. coach advises them to box out to get rebounds, lessen the gap score, and share the basketball to strengthen their groove. He also encouraged them to see to it that we can make a shot, do something inside the court, and fight until the end to uplift the team spirit. Stay tuned as we continue to closely follow the matchup and see how NPS Saints battle through adversity in the next quarter. Only here at Bucal's official Facebook page and our official broadcasting partners, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Tin and Aljun.
Thank you so much, Kim. So, really, the struggles continues on the side of Saints, but they will focus on defense and we will see kung talaga namang mag-improve yung defense nila and lessen gaps. Kasi doon talaga nagpe-penetrate ang Serpents, really maximizing those gaps and their advantage in terms of height and their skills in terms of shooting.
Analysis, as you can see, para sa ating total field goals, napakarami para sa ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, madami din yung kanilang offensive rebounds kung kaya nakadagdag ito sa kanilang puntos. But as for the turnovers, napakadami po ang naitala dito ng ating NPS Saints sa ating first half. Kaya Aljon, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The ACC Green Serpents are proving their skills once again as they left the second quarter with a huge gap for the NPS Saints to run. Despite the huge lead, Coach John still emphasized that every man inside the hard court needs to move and play their role. Make sure to show their efficiency and effectiveness as a player inside the hard court despite how easy or difficult the challenge they face. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So I like how the coach reminded his team that every player is important, that every players have to move.
Now as we can see, the ACC Green Serpents are still dominating our third quarter. 82-16 sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter. Pero bago yan, shoutout tayo dito kay Jandrex Neo Clidoro. Sabi niya, pa-shoutout kay Delos Martires ng NPS dahil happy or birthday daw po ngayon. Happy birthday po. And of course, shoutout kay Kim Alfred Kuya Cardinho. Maraming salamat po. Mukhang maraming may birthday ngayong araw na ito, Aljon. Now, back to the ball game tayo. Green Serpents ball possession now. On the corner for three.
No good.
Offensive rebound.
And that's good.
Yes, for Madrona. Now. NPS. Again, the ball still on the side of the NPS. And right now,
There are some confusions.
still, the ACC is on their game for our third quarter. Now, shout out tayo dito kay Anton J. Avila, kay Janizareth Giriba, at kay Anton J. Avila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating second game. It's the STI Olympians versus the Shepherdville Rams para sa ating juniors basketball.
At kung gusto nyo pa pong humabol, madami pa po tayo ditong upuan sa benches natin. So if you might like, to scream and shout and support your teams and the players.
We are still open. I think this is the NPS Saints supporters. Itong nasa kabilang bench. Na grabe talaga yung suporta dito sa ating Saints. Now, the referees are still discussing about the confusion here.
And I think the confusions raised by the coach of the Green Serpents.
Yes, I think it's about the shot clock. But let's see mamaya kung ano nga ba yung... Now, shout out muna tayo dito kay Anton J. Avila, kay Zach Castro, Andoy Kenete, Jim Henson Bermejo, at kay John Michael Perez na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Thank you very much po. And mamaya po for our third game, it's the defending champion NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers para sa ating seniors basketball. Kaya napakagandang laro po yan, kaya abangan nyo po yan. Of course, dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV. And of course, live na live dito sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium. And now, back to the ball game tayo.
Batangas may dala ng bola. For 3, no good.
Now, rebound of the Green Serpents. Sevillano, that's good. Another steal for the side of the Green Serpents. Now, another layup coming para
Wow.
dito kay Madrona.
Ang bilis ng last sequence na yon.
Another steal. Now, but the ball will go on the side of the NPS Saints. Natawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating Naga Parokya School Saints. 89-16 with 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ayan, napakaganda pa rin po ng ipinapakitang performance dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, while the NPS Saints kailangan pa nilang galingan or bigyan pa ng emphasis yung kanilang offense and defense when it comes to playing.
And also, they have to be consistent in terms of their shooting and defense. Kasi
Yes.
medyo shaky pa sila ngayong third quarter. But as opposed to second quarter, medyo nakakapuntos sila at talaga yung depensa nila medyo effective. Pero ngayong third quarter, medyo pressure na naman nakikita ko sa faces ng mga players at hindi na naman sila nakaka-penetrate ng shooting and their defense.
Now, the NPS Saints are still going on the 3-point shot. Na medyo nahihirapan sila but still meron nakakapasok sila mga 3 points. But still, they need to plan more kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila dito for our third quarter as well as mamayang fourth quarter. Now, back to the ball game tayo. Green Serpents ball. Still that. Good 2 points coming from Madrona.
Bola ngayon ng Saints.
Another steal. Green Serpents again. Sevillano. That's good. Napakaganda ng puntos na pinapakita dito ng ating Green Serpents. Another turnover para sa side ng NPS. Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents. Now, Sevillano magtatawid ng bola for the Green Serpents.
Talaga namang ang Green Serpents, tinitake advantage ang mga lapses dito ng Saints.
Yes. Now, a
That's
good
good.
assist. Ayan. Between Beltran and Serrano.
Pacifico, may dala ng bola. And a violation.
Yes, there was a foul called here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now, babalik dyan si Morales para sa side
Inbound
ng Saints.
ngayon ni Batangas.
Mandi ka na yun.
Morales, may dala ng bola.
Ayan, another foul was called para dito kay Codores.
Batangas for the free throw. That's good.
So this would be a 3-point free throw para dito kay Batangas.
And that's another good.
Yan, nakabawi naman sila dito sa ating free throw. Now, Green Serpent, Sevillano, may hawak ng bola. Now, tries for 3. That's good para dito kay Madrona. Yes.
And a substitution here on the side of Serpents.
Yes. Nagpalit muli sila ng 5 players sa loob ng court.
For
Along
3. No good.
Now, Green Serpents. Pascual may hawak ng bola. Now, tries for 3. No good.
Rebound ngayon ng Saints.
Medyo napalakas nga ang pasa dyan dito sa side ng NPS Saints.
Another wasted opportunity on the side of the Saints.
Babalik ang bola sa Green Serpents. Now, Pascual. May hawak ng bola. 11 to 7. No good. Offensive rebound. Pero mapupunta ang bola sa ating Saints sa turnover again.
Inbound ball ngayon ng Saints. Another opportunity for them. No good. For Marquez.
But there was a foul called para dito kay Mansos.
Marquez got the free throw. That's good.
3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for our third quarter. No good for that second time. Now, Pascual. Nagpapasahan dito. Back to Pascual. Andiyan si Bali, no good. Offensive rebound. Again.
No good. Medyo nahirapan dito si Pascual to penetrate that shot.
Mapupunta nga sa free throw itong si Balin. For a 2 shot. First attempt, no good. No good pa rin sa kanyang second attempt. Now another steal for the Green Serpents.
At ang bola mapupunta sa Saints.
No. Another steal committed by the Saints. And that's good para dito kay Serrano.
Morales, may dala ng bola. Marquez, for 3. That's good. Bermejo.
Yes. Alam mo si Bermejo dito yung medyo mainit ang kamay para sa 3-point shot. I think nakakadalawa na siya dito 3 points. Serrano medyo nahihirapan. Again, an offensive rebound. Tries again. No good. Serrano again. Wala pa rin.
Bermejo.
Ball possession.
Batangas, for 3. No good. Bermejo.
There's a
Na
block. Yes, by Green Serpents. Para dito kay Avila.
Talagang
But still,
nakikipagsabayan
yes.
natin dito ang Saints. Morales, may dala ng bola. For 3. No good.
Now, Pascual nagmamadali. Papasok sa loob. Pero there's a traveling violation committed by Pascual. So again, ball possession of the NPS Saints here. Again, a steal. Another 2 points for the Green Serpents.
For 3. No good.
And that's it. Nagkakagulo nga dito yung supporters ng NPS Saints. With 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now, Pascual. Mansos ngayon. A good pass para
That's
dito kay
good.
Balin. Yes, napakaganda nun. Again, a loose ball. Pero there was a foul called here for the side of the NPS Saints.
$104 against 23. Serpents is actually showing us who they are in this match against Saints.
Yes. I think this would be hard for the NPS Saints para mahabol pa itong puntos at kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
And what they can do is to really fight and boost their morale.
Yes.
Kasi it's quite a lot.
Oh,
Ang
dami.
lamang grabe na.
Oh, ang dami nilang hahabulin dito. If ever man na makalapit sila sa puntos ng ating ACC Green Serpents, that's good for the second time para dito kay Avila. Na nagmamadali. A layup was good.
And that's good. Bermejo again.
Actually, Bermejo was one of the players of the Saints na medyo mainit-init dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
That's true. His outside shooting is actually talagang tinutulungan niya ang
Yes.
Saints para makakuha sila ng puntos.
Now, 10 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Nagkakagulo pa. Now, that's good para dito kay Mansos. And that's it, Aljon. That's it. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. 109-25 lamang po ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami para sa last quarter ng matchup na ito. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium and live on our live stream, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal, and YouTube channel of One Media TV 48 Naga. 109 against 25. And the Green Serpents is feeling it. And also the Saints, they have to, boost their morale for their next game. Kasi malayo-layo na ngayon ang Green Serpents, but NPS Saints have to boost their morale.
Now, for the fourth quarter, ball possession ng Green Serpents. Beltran on the inside, no good. Offensive rebound ng Green Serpents. But there was a traveling violation committed by the side of the Green Serpents. Ball possession of the Saints.
Morales may dala ng bola. And a loose
Nagkakagawan.
ball.
Now, Green Serpents again with the ball. Beltran, may hawak ng bola. Loose
Ay, loose
ball.
ball ngayon. Morales. Sumalaksak. No good.
Wala pa rin para sa ating Saints dito. Now, Green Serpents with the ball. Mali na pasahan dito.
Bermejo. That's good. What a move coming from Bermejo.
Yes, one of the reliable players of the NPS Saints. Now, Mayor, given to jersey number 10 to 15. A great assist coming from the team of the Green Serpents. Now ball possession of the Saints. Again, the ball will stay on the side of the NPS Saints. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Performance as they once again put huge number into the scoreboard. During the timeout, Coach John still encouraged the boys to still give their and play more effectively. He also emphasized that the boys must still stick to the game plan and anticipate the ball on opponent's weak side and take every opportunity to score. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So the Serpents now are playing more effectively. Look at the numbers.
Yes, grabe yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Nahihirapan nga ang NPS Saints with the offense and defense of the Serpents. Na ball possession pa rin nila. Wow, a great move coming from Mirabueno.
Batangas, no good.
Ball possession again of the Green Serpents. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, anong update natin dyan?
The challenges persisted even until the third quarter and remain a tough period for NPS Saints. Coach consistently advised the team to get the ball in their possession and improve their passing, find their offensive rhythm, and improve communication inside the court. During this quarter, we have seen the team's hustle to lessen the gap and score. Coach reminded them to relax at taasan ang kumpiyansa sa court. As we head into the final quarter, let's see how the NPS Saints rally their board till the last quarter. Stay tuned only here at Bucal's Facebook page and our official broadcasting partners, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Tin and Aljun.
Thank you so much, Kim. So talaga namang they are lacking in terms of communication and their confidence in playing against the players of Serpents talagang medyo mababa. And what they can do in this last quarter is to really cultivate their confidence for their next game. Kasi if they take this seriously, talaga namang magiging mababa yung moral nila for this succeeding games of the Saints.
Yan, as you can see, Aljan, on the last sequence ng ating fourth quarter, medyo nga napanghihinaan na ata ng loob itong ating NPS Saints dahil nga marami ng turnovers ang nakukommit for their team. And we have 117 over 27 and 6 minutes and 59 seconds remaining.
Really a
para
huge
sa ating
number
fourth
talaga,
quarter.
team.
Yes, totoo yan. As we can see, grabe din naman talaga yung larong ipinapakita dito ng ating ACC. Now, it's their ball possession. Jersey number 4, Codores. Passes to Serviliano. Serviliano now. On the inside. Wow, what a great assist here.
And look at the communication.
Yes, that's very important. Nawala dito.
Batangas ngayon, may dala ng bola. That's good.
Medyo kulang kasi sa communication itong ating NPS Saints. But let's see for the next games of the Naga Parokyal kung ano pa nga ba yung maipapakita nila for the season of Bucal. But as for the ACC, grabe. Grabe, napakagandang laro ang ipinapakita nila dito ngayon.
And they took the advantage from a win against defending champion.
Totoo
And
yan.
the confidence talaga namang nandyan dito sa Serpents.
Yan, syempre, grabe, napakahirap talunin ng NCF Tigers but still the ACC did that. Kaya naman, napakalakas ng loob nila to win this game against the NPS Saints. Napakaganda ng baon nila for today.
That's true.
Now, Codores. Pass to Serviliano. Serviliano. That's good.
Inbound ball ngayon ng Saints. Batangas may dala ng bola. 4-3. That's good!
Again, that's
By
Bermejo.
Bermejo.
Wow. Bermejo.
The consistency of his outside shooting is there.
Yes, napakaganda na pinapakita ni Bermejo para sa side ng NPS Saints. Again, the ACC. Pero yan nga, ball possession na ngayon ng NPS Saints.
Inbound ngayon ng Saints.
Bermejo is one of the most important players dito sa side ng NPS Saints. Grabe yung mga 3-point shot na naigagawa niya dito sa kanilang team.
Morales, no good.
Wow, Bermejo on the inside to get that second point attempt para
Talagang
sa ating
tinatrabaho
Saints.
niya, Tin.
Now, Green Serpents, Serviliano. Papasok sa loob. No good. Ball possession yan ngayon ng ating NPS Saints. Now, 4 minutes and 33 seconds po ang natitira sa ating time clock for this last quarter. Now, a steal for the Green Serpents. Sevillano for that layup. That's good.
Bermejo may dala ng bola.
Steal for the side of the Green Serpents. That layup was good for Mansos. Sobrang laki na po ng kalamangan dito ng ating Green Serpents.
Batangas may dala ng bola. Morales, and that's good.
Now, Sevillano ang tatawid ng bola for the Serpents. They're taking their time here. Mansos, no good for that 3.
Morales ngayon may dala ng bola.
Another steal for the side of the Green Serpents. Sayaw with that layup. That's good. Yeah, napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating Naga Parochial School Saints with 127-36 sa ating talaan. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now, para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, the champion for Season 5 Juniors Division will advance to NBTC Regional Championship at Batangas on February 2024 po. Kaya napakagandang opportunity po to para sa lahat ng teams to work hard para sa ating Bucal Season 5 Juniors Basketball. Now the ACC Green Serpents are really on their game. Natawagan nga dyan ng foul ang ating SPC or the NPS Saints. As you can see on your screen, we have here the NBTC official qualifying tournament. So again, the champion for this season will be or will advance to NBTC Regional Championship at Batangas on February 2024.
Another big competition for these teams. So talaga namang kailangan nilang trabahuhin in order for them to advance and to qualify.
Now Sevillano. No good for that free throw. Again, a steal. Back-to-back turnover here. De Los Martires may hawak ng bola.
And a steal. That's good.
Ayan, it's Salaw. And PS will try again. Another steal for Sevillano. Grabe naman tong ACC. Mamaw kung mamaw.
Ang bibilis ng ACC.
Now the NPS. Nahihirapan dito. We are now down on the last 2 minutes of the matchup of the Naga Parochial School Saints and the Amando Cope College Green Serpents. Now another steal. Another layup para sa ating Green Serpents Mansos. Shoutout naman tayo dito kay Kate Badoso, Gab Contante at kay Dwayne Dueñas. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagantabay. Mamaya-maya po maglalaro po sa ating second game ang STI Olympians against the SBC Rams. Yan, for the last sequence po. Another point for the Green Serpents. May kasama pang foul. Avila, no good for that free throw. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Now Avila again, no good. Nahirapan pa rin dito.
For 2 points, no good.
Ball possession of the Serpents. Now, less than a minute remaining for our last quarter. Another point coming from Sevillano. De Los Martires.
And a steal again for Serpents.
Another point for the Green Serpents. As you can see, the coaches are handshaking, indicating that the ACC have won the game against the NPS Saints. And you know what, Adjo? Napakagandang tingnan kasi kahit talo dito ang ating NPS Saints, yung mga supporters nila, they are still happy to see the NPS Saints playing for this season of Bucal. And that's really grateful to see.
Aside from playing for their own, the Saints are also playing for their school, which is very, very proud for the supporters.
Ayan. Napakaganda pong pinakitang performance dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But at the same time, there will still another game for the side of the NPS Saints. Hindi po dyan nagtatapos ang kanilang journey. And of course, nagtapos po ang ating laro to 140-36 for our first matchup for this Saturday. Mamaya po for our second game, the STI Olympians is going against the SBC Rams. At mamaya po makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. The ACC Green Serpents proved themselves once again as they got their victory against the NPS Saints. And one player showed an exemplary performance and hailed as the best player of the game, no other than jersey number 12, John Christopher Balin, coming from the bench with 19 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. Balin, congratulations. Every game, the ACC Green Serpents always put on a great performance. What should we expect from you naman on your succeeding games?
Ano po, tiwala lang sa mga kapel and sunod lang po sa pinapagibo ni Coach. Yun lang po.
Alright, syempre, best player of the game is an achievement for every basketball player. Ano and sino naman ang motivation mo to reach such recognition?
Ay, yung mga magulang ko po kasi mga ano din po yan, mga player din po. Yun.
Alright, of course, best player. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong batiin at pasalamat?
Nagpapasalamat po kay Coach Alter and tsaka kay Coach Badong sa pagtiwala sa Muya po.
Alright, thank you and congratulations. Yes, do your...
Shoutout po kay Jesnel Avila Ardinho, tapos kay JC Botalon, tsaka kay J Pascual, tapos sa buong ACC, tapos sa mga college na ACC.
Alright, thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith Patesa Respeto, courtside reporter of Amando College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 12, John Christopher Balid with 19 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. Grabe yung pinakitang performance dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents against the Naga Parochial School Saints. Aljon?
And what also an exceptional against the Serpents. Look at the deficit in terms of their numbers sa scores. Talaga namang tinrabaho nila starting from the start until the 4th quarter.
Yeah, they really deserve that to win. At mamaya po, abangan nyo po sa ating second game. It's the STI Olympians going against the Shepherdville Rams. Again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga taong nasa likod ng camera for this avenue for Bucal Season 5. Again, I am Christina Reyes.
I'm Alvin Bulopogoy.
At dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.